Moringa. Have you heard of it? This tree is a powerhouse of nutrition. People call it the miracle tree, and for good reason. Moringa can help with so many health concerns. It's becoming very popular, and I'm here to tell you why. Imagine a plant that can provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. That's moringa. Native to parts of Africa and Asia, it thrives in tropical climates. But don't worry, you can grow it in other places too. For centuries, people have used moringa for its medicinal properties. It's like nature's medicine cabinet, ready to help us feel our best. Join me as we explore the amazing benefits of this incredible tree. Every part of the moringa tree offers incredible benefits. It's packed with vitamins like A, C, and E. It's also full of minerals like calcium and potassium. And don't forget the antioxidants. They help protect our bodies. The leaves are a nutritional star. You can eat them fresh, cooked, or dried into a powder. They're a great source of protein, iron, and fiber. Need an energy boost? Moringa leaves can help with that. The seeds are powerful too. They're used to purify water and even make oil. Moringa oil is great for your skin and hair. It's a true multitasker. Want to grow your own moringa? It's easier than you think. This hardy tree adapts well to different environments. It prefers warm weather and plenty of sunshine. Start with seeds or cuttings. Plant them in well-drained soil. Water them regularly, but don't overwater. Moringa trees are drought-tolerant, so they can handle a little dryness. With a little care and attention, your moringa tree will thrive. You'll have a renewable source of nutrition right in your backyard. Imagine that. Section 4: Moringa in the Kitchen, a culinary journey. Moringa isn't just nutritious, it's delicious too. You can add it to smoothies for a boost of vitamins. Include it in soups and stews for extra flavor. You can even use it to make tea. Try adding moringa powder to your favorite recipes. It's a great way to sneak in extra nutrients. Your taste buds will thank you. Get creative in the kitchen and explore the culinary versatility of moringa. It's a gift from nature that nourishes your body and tantalizes your taste buds. Section 5: Moringa for a sustainable future. Moringa isn't just good for us, it's good for the planet too. It's a sustainable crop that requires minimal water and resources to grow. This makes it an eco-friendly choice. Moringa trees help prevent soil erosion, which is important for healthy ecosystems. They also provide shade and support biodiversity. It's a win-win situation. By choosing moringa, you're supporting sustainable practices and contributing to a healthier planet. It's a small step with a big impact. Section 6: Moringa's Healing Touch. Stories from around the world. For centuries, people around the world have used moringa for its medicinal properties. In traditional medicine, it's been used to treat a wide range of ailments. Many people report feeling more energized and focused after consuming moringa. Some even say it helps improve their digestion and boosts their immune system. While more research is needed, the anecdotal evidence is promising. Moringa's potential to improve our health is truly remarkable. Section 7: Embrace the power of moringa. Moringa is a true gift from nature. It's a nutritional powerhouse, a culinary delight, and a champion for sustainability. It has the potential to improve our health and the health of our planet. I encourage you to explore the wonders of moringa. Whether you grow it yourself, buy it in powder form, or try it in a delicious recipe, embrace the power of this incredible tree. Your body will thank you.